ones. Yeah. I reckon just resize them every season. Check them. Like if you see them starting to, like you know, the bearing comes open.
No,
Yeah.
the bell hold a bit too. Yeah.
Well, every 20 metres, that's only every
20 runs.
That's every
That's
3
3 meetings. So it works out you get about 7 runs a meeting, 6 runs.
A running commentary, please.
Oh, okay. Alright,
What can I tell you? This is where the rod took off, man. The bit.
Rods.
Yeah. And on this side we have. Oh, we nearly seized here. We have one camshaft. One camshaft sitting out of this little hole here in the block.
Is that where it usually sits?
Nah, not that one. unless it's two. And here we have the jigsaw puzzle. The old pieces of the block. There. Alright.
Like you could super glue them together.
Yeah. We've got minus a couple of push rods up here. Minus 2 push rods there. Minus a couple of push rods here, if you can see.
No, where that one is. That's in the sump. We saw it.
Yeah. Well, that one's in the sump. Oh, hey, we broke the distributor too.
Did ya?
Yeah, the
Dizzy
gear on
drive.
it.
Yeah, dizzy
I
drive.
thought you would have, because
Yeah.
the cam leaked
Yeah,
out.
actually the teeth had broken off.
Yeah.
You better check the shaft to make sure it's straight.
Yeah. Was it?
I'll get it checked. I don't know. It's probably bent, you know. But I reckon, like I said, I don't
Like
know.
the driver.
But it's in the middle, Nick. So you know.
You might be able to save some.
All right.
Now we're opening the manifold. Well, there's the...
What's that?
Lifters. That's a lifter. Lifter.
Push rod.
Couple push rods. Oh, the valley's there.
Oh, yeah, not from this side, but not when you look through the hole.
All the intakes are there. Bit of oil in there.
Where?
Have a look. Might have dropped a. It's
That's
full
right,
of
that
oil,
one.
don't it?
Yeah.
And there's petrol in this one. God, look at it. Look at it.
Where's that come from? Oh, that, yeah.
How come they broke like that? Maybe I could have collapsed the lifter.
Nah.
Huh? That's not bent. Take
Afternoon. Noon.
Are we going to see daylight or aren't we? Do I get to look first? Fuck, I see a lot of water.
Don't worry about that. The head. Ooh, that looks alright, the head.
Yeah, heads are alright, just water.
Which one did it hit?
Hey, all the pistons are still there. That's wrong.
Number 6?
Yeah,
Yeah, but they're all the same height.
maybe I had water in here all the time. Yeah,
The
pistons
only
are
problem with the pistons, they're all at the same height.
fuck, big hole in the block, man. That piston's fucked. This one hit the head, Mick. Probably only be up for one piston. Big
There's a
crack
hole.
in the block. Or is that? That's just rust. Yeah. Ooh, fuck no. That's destroyed me. Got big scratches in the bore.
Yeah, that head's alright.
When you take the sump off, that's when you're going to find all the good bits.
That piston be rooted because there's a big score in the bore. Feel it. But how'd the water get in there? Oh, when the piston hit the head.
No, when you took this off now.
Nah. No, not all that. It's a chocolate block, it's rusted there. See how it's rusted? It was there for a
Been
while.
there for a while.
Unless his head gasket's let go in a hydraulic or something. The cylinder head, what have we found? We got anything interesting? Perfect.
Beautiful.
This piston's a bit wretched. Might be able to clean it up, Mick, right? Hit the head pretty severe. That's probably why. That's probably why the high port shifted.
Which one is it?
It's number
Second one.
2. This one.
That one.
Maybe
It's a
that's
good
why
thing
the
it
high
hits
port.
the actual skirt on the head.
How come
only
this
hit
is
the
red
end.
here, man? How come the valve's red?
That's just exhaust.
Yeah, it's
is
rust,
it?
man. That's when they're running good. That was running real. Fuck, at least 2 running real lean. Look at
Yeah. This one's got nothing,
It's
hasn't
running
it?
too rich, man. Look, there's no. Oh, there's number 1.
That one's pretty oily.
This will be fucked.
That's fucked.
This one's his fucked, so I got 2 fucked.
This one's fucked.
Is it?
Yeah, see how scored it is? And it looks oval?
Look, it's hit there too, see?
Where?
You see the mark?
Yeah, that was it. But that's what they done last time. They punched their head and they were all right. I got them tested. The ring glands were good and everything. But I reckon we've lost the skirts on them. All right.
Yeah, because one of the rods is
Now
still on
comes
there,
the
but
real
it's-
thing.
Yes, fuck.
I stopped it. sump, man.
You missed
Right.
the best file.
Oh, there's a timing chain.
Yeah, it's still alright. You can get chain links to join them up.
Well, that's the sump. There's a missing piston. There's the cam retainer.
Hey, the last two are alright.
Hey, this one's still connected.
Hey, the windish tray's holding all the parts, man.
Yeah, one.
They came to good use.
That's a push rod. That's a brand new bearing. Look, fucking hell. Hey, who said I didn't change the bearing? Right. I can't get this one out because it's still got a bit of the gudgeon on it. Oh, that's fucking the culprit. Look, they sheared, man.
The bolt sheared.
Your...
Have a look.
This looks pretty blue. Is that Robbie?
Yeah.
I don't know, it looks blue to
Nah.
me.
Hey, look at the cat. Look. Nah, I didn't spin a bearing, man. Have a look. It's Brett. Look. What's blue, Mick? I didn't spin. Nah, I reckon the bolts.
What's that, man?
Nah, bullshit. Look. Oh yeah, could have. Looks a bit blue there, but the crank's not blue.
Is that the one you replaced?
Yeah, I'll replace this one.
No, I mean, when the shit last time.
Which is the bearing that you put in?
Nah, this was
rods.
number 6. No, the rods, those two there, 8 and 4.
Oh, and they're the only ones left.
There.
They're the only two here that are left.
There's a bit of the camshaft, Tony. Look.
But they're brand new, the last two.
2 loads.
What's the load like, alright?
No, not bad. That's the.
It's pretty blue.
Big end cap.
I don't know, Mick. I don't know if it's spun.
Yeah, that's great.
No, rods don't break there.
That's great.
It's spun.
But why would it spin and go and do that, man?
7,000 revs.
Must have just ripped
What
it.
the fuck's that?
That's a cap.
You're kidding.
That's a flat.
That's
Yeah, that's a cat.
Fuck, you know.
Yeah, these two are brand new. Those are brand new. That one up there's still good.
Well, at least there's no
Yeah,
question
look,
about trying to use
nah,
the
look,
parts
Mick,
because you
this
know
one
they're
broke a bolt, and that's not blue.
That bolt broke.
That bolt broke, but if
Yeah.
they're black, that means the bolt
You know
didn't
why?
break first.
You know why it
That's
broke?
actual
Because everything
black.
else is shaking.
Yeah,
What?
Vibration.
Alright, turn the whole motor over now that we've
but when
got
it's
the sump
black,
off.
that means a lot.
There.
Oh,
Yeah, it kept everything up there. You imagine if that wasn't there, everything would have just dropped in the sump.
Is the oil pump seized?
A drive shaft looks alright. Okay.
Oh, they got do it though. Oh, jeez. You might need to machine the crank a little bit.
9/16, son. We'll take off the oil pump and then we'll.
9/16.
Fuck, and look at the jerks.
yeah, see this one broke because of vibration.
Yes.
That's a camshaft, man. Look at this.
Boy,
1, 2,
Should have checked the bearing.
3, 4. 4 pistons are fucked.
So
Good one, hey, get that.
So I have to buy the coffin. Right. What we have. What the fuck thing is it?
that's why this one broke. Because
Yeah.
of that, yeah.
Because it just fell and seized it, yeah? Where's that hammer, son?
If I turn it over.
Can we use the rings again?
It's stuck in there.
Yeah. Oh, I wouldn't keep that.
And the rings are seized in there.
What?
Oh, look at it. Look at the ring.
Who's
They're
that?
all bent.
Who's that? Chisel.
Bit of a camshaft.
One piece of the camshaft, Tony. Looking good?
Looking very nice.
That's it.
Don't walk you.
Yeah,
It's spun.
Yeah, beautiful.
What happened?
spun.
You can tell, yeah.
It's black. It's black as a tape.
Look at all the damage.
So at least we know the engine